Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Stella Live, and in today's video we are going to be doing my spooky fridge organization. I had asked you guys in a home goods walkthrough if you would be interested in seeing me do a spooky fridge organization because I just purchased a new fridge a couple of weeks ago and a lot of you commented and say that you would love to see it. So here I am delivering, and I did want to mention there's probably like 4 or 5 spooky items in the fridge. I was going to wait, I was going to wait until Home Goods put out more of their Halloween dishware, but they have been slacking in that department. So I just went ahead and did the video anyways. It's more so on the Halloween side than the Gothic side, so sorry about that, but I did try. There's one black thing in the fridge that I used to store some applesauce in. Anyways, the video is on the shorter side because of the way I edited it, and it's just like the grocery shopping / washing my fruits and veggies and then like putting it all together part. It's like probably 6 minutes long, but at the end of the video I have a story to tell about the strawberries, so stay tuned until the end if you want to know what happened with the strawberries. So the very first thing I did was I headed to Walmart and I bought some produce. It is mostly fruit, but fear not. I do have frozen vegetables in my freezer, and the only thing that I'm showing you in this video is the stuff for my refrigerator. So this is not all the food that I purchased. I purchased more. My kids will not starve, don't worry. So I'm just sitting here watching all the things that I'm putting in my cart, and I realized I put bananas in my cart. Don't worry, I did not put the bananas in my fridge, nor did I put the avocado in my fridge either. When I'm shopping for my produce, I generally try to buy organic items if they are available. If they aren't, then I will get the non-organic produce. And sometimes the organic produce is bad, so again, I will choose the other option. Alright, so when I'm washing my fruits and vegetables, I put it in a bowl of water with some apple cider vinegar. Here is the spiderweb bowl that I bought from Home Goods, and I'm just filling it with some mandarin oranges. Again, the reason why the water looks yellow is because I used apple cider vinegar to clean my produce. So this container I bought at TJ Maxx, and I do wash this every single time I refill it. Here I am just putting my washed strawberries and blueberries in it. I am going to eventually put some grape tomatoes in here, which you will see. And then this is another little organization thing that I got from TJ Maxx as well, and I'm just filling it up with some kiwi and limes. So this bowl I purchased from Home Goods last year, and I'm filling it up with some store-cut watermelon. Normally I try not to buy store-cut produce. I'll buy produce and cut it myself at home, but this week I am on a time crunch, and I also wanted to hurry up and get this video up for you guys. I have to take my daughter back down to Illinois on Friday. I live in northern Michigan, and there are a lot of things that I need to get done outside, and she is very, very, very helpful with my son, who is 1.5. She's almost 13. Anyways, getting off track. Here we have this little ghosty that once again I purchased from Home Goods, and I figured he would be really convenient to hold all of our sauces from restaurants and stuff. Most of it was like mild sauce that my daughter gets from Taco Bell. They usually give us way too much, so that's what I did with the little ghosty container. Because this refrigerator is like 2 or 3 weeks old, it wasn't that dirty, but I still did clean it off because I do put some of my produce unwrapped on the shelves. I put my kale and my bell peppers on the shelves. They last longer that way, they stay fresher. And here in the moment, you will see my OCD kick in when I have to turn the Silk label so it's matching the other yogurt. I don't know why I did that. I guess it had to be aesthetically pleasing to my eye. But yet, if you noticed, I did not fix the one in the back. Anyways, here I am putting the spiderweb fruit bowl in with my watermelon and some leftovers and my applesauce and this little ghosty. He's so cute. I love him. These little salad kit bowls are for my daughter. She likes these, and then the kale kit that comes in a little baggie is mine. And then here I am just putting some Pepsis in my fridge. Do not let my refrigerator fool you. I am trying to eat healthier, and it is a goal of mine to eventually go plant-based. I'm not going to say vegan and I'm not going to say vegetarian, but plant-based. Because it's just a health goal of mine. But I do still have a lot of junk food in my house, and I do realize that I am the one bringing it in, so I need to be the one to stop buying it. Anyways, here we are putting the cauliflower and the carrots and, oh, I'm shutting it. I do remember yes, here we are. I ended up moving the kale down here because I was going to put the fresh kale on the bottom shelf. Once again, I did not wrap the kale. So when I was editing this video, I saw in this little pull-out drawer that there was a line down at the bottom, and I went to go and clean it, and it is no longer there. So I'm not even sure what that is, but it's gone now. And here is the finished fridge. Okay, so I am recording this outro for the second time because apparently I wasn't actually recording the last time I recorded it. But I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching, subscribing, and commenting and liking and all of the things. I truly appreciate every single one of you. I don't see you guys as subscribers. I see you guys as my spooky friends, and I just wanted to let you guys know how much I truly appreciate each and every single one of you. Anyways, if you guys made it this far and you are curious about the strawberries, I think a spider found out what we were filming today, and he decided to hitch a ride on one of the strawberries. I do have a clip of the spider crawling out of the side of the bowl that I will insert right here. As you can see to the left of the bowl, there is a little black speck. The spider crawls up the bowl and repeatedly falls down, and I know for a fact that this spider was not in this bowl before I poured the water or strawberries in there. Anyways, that just goes to show you how important it is to wash your produce. So make sure you're always washing your produce. Even if your produce says that it's already washed and ready to eat, still wash it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you guys all next time. Bye!